My name's Andrew Butcher. I'm the CEO and co-founder of GTECH. GTECH stands for Growth Through Energy and Community Health. We do work at the intersection of community development, the green economy, and social innovation. There are over 30,000 vacant parcels of land in the city of Pittsburgh alone. Crime rates go up, unemployment rates go up, high school dropout rates go up. These aren't necessarily caused by vacant land, but they're perpetuated by. Whereas the inverse is true in places with the most amount of green space. GTECH actually is the product of some research at Carnegie Mellon. We were researching vacant land and the economic impact. One of the initial ideas that we piloted is the concept of growing biofuel crops as a way to do those things, improving soil quality, producing feedstock for biofuel, and serving as a platform for learning. The concept of biofuel crops, things like sunflowers, continues to be a really exciting and effective way of activating places, engaging communities, changing a mindset by changing a place with a relatively low-cost effort that gets people thinking about places in a different way and serves to transition what is a liability into an asset. I think problems aren't centralized. And so I think the key to addressing decentralized problems is by distributing solutions. We are interested in broken systems and how green strategies can be applied to those systems in such a way to create new platforms of opportunity. We've developed a pretty consistent methodology through different issue areas. GTECH's work now revolves around Reclaim.
So Reclaim is our vacant land program area. So we work with communities to assess, engage, and connect people with opportunities focused around vacant land within the region.
Re-energize.
Re-energize Pittsburgh is a collaborative coalition of over 30 different organizations that have come together.
From utility companies to service providers to weatherization agencies to support agencies, independent contractors.
To try to increase demand for energy efficiency services in Allegheny County.
As well as Refuel.
Seeks to maximize its collections of waste cooking oil for recycling into alternative fuels. Also promoting and educating renewables, biofuels, and the other benefits like cleaner air, cleaner water, and infrastructure savings for the sewers.
True effectiveness happens at the intersection of multiple sectors. And it's wonderful for us to be a green organization at a community development table, and it's even better for us to bring a community development lens to the green table. The true interest and passion for us is at the intersection of places and people. I think one of the big things that's next for us is recognizing that perhaps one of the biggest things that we can contribute to addressing broken systems is by recognizing that there's already a level of expertise in every community around how to address almost any broken system. Perhaps our role can be to identify that expertise, work with individuals and communities to apply that expertise in an appropriate way.
One of our other programs that we started this year is called Reclaim Northside, and it is an ambassador model that we're doing in all of our program areas, but for Reclaim specifically, we selected 10 individuals from 8 different neighborhoods, and we're walking them through the entire vacant land process.
Communities are very unique. When people come in from the outside, one, they might not understand what level of outreach works within those communities, and two, from the perspective of a community member, when some outsider really comes in, people can get defensive and say, whoa, you don't know me. You don't know what my community is. How can you possibly know what's good for us? The Ambassador Program is the outreach wing of Re-energize Pittsburgh. We have actually 16 different ambassadors in 14 different neighborhoods who've been performing energy efficiency outreach within their communities.
These types of problems are problems that fall through the cracks. In that regard, require solutions that can also meet the problems where they are in the cracks and begin to lift them out.
You got to start somewhere. And planting sunflowers, it took a solid effort this morning, and we'll harvest and we'll maintain, but it's just kind of the start of a process. And when this site is bursting with sunflowers, people are going to look at it differently. And so if we can help people think about places differently, then we can help them think about what else they want to achieve.
First and foremost, we're very happy to have spun out of research at Carnegie Mellon. Actually, really proud to be a social enterprise that spins out of the policy school at Carnegie Mellon. And I think that's a unique thing almost anywhere. And I think Pittsburgh's a really good fit for the kinds of things that I'm interested in doing and that we as an organization do, because one, there's a need. Two, there's a real spirit that embraces entrepreneurship and innovation here.